Hi, and welcome to this tutorial on how to check an entire website for pages with no index and no follow. This is useful if you are doing technical SEO and are trying to solve various website problems, or check if they have various website problems. Okay, to begin with, we will type in our website address, hit the Start Scan button, now to begin with, we will see the default data columns and the crawl results. We will be using the built-in report, show only pages with no index. And here we have an active filter, only show URLs with filter text, only show URLs for the pages. And we are using no index as filter text that match into URL flags. And so here we have a list of URLs, and we can see no index, no follow, no index, follow, no index, follow. So it's essentially the crawler has checked for tags inside the website and also some HTTP headers that can set this data. And it has also checked Robots.txt and can inform us, the user, that these URLs were all allowed in Robots.txt. So that is an easy way to quickly crawl an entire website and filter for various URL flags, in this case no index and no follow. Be sure to see our other videos about technical SEO. Thank you for watching.